So my brothers and sisters, good evening. How are you doing? Wherever that you are and you are watching the Great Chief Chelari Powers. This is the Great Chief Chelari Powers who can change your life, who can let you overcome your problems and things will never be the same for you in your life again. Come to me and you will definitely share my good name for others. You will not regret knowing me. Inshallah, by the grace of the assistance, I promise to make you who you want to be. And I want to tell people to know that, as I said, I can help you. You have to ask me, or you have to know the way I used to help people. And I want to tell you people that I used to help people through my assistance that I have here, which is the spirit be around with me here. I have the power to send the power to go to bank, take money out of the bank, bring it to me here inside this temple. I hope you can see over here. There is a lot of money over there, my brothers and sisters. There is a lot of money over there. And I want to tell you people that wherever you are and you are watching this program, my brother, my sister, you have to come here and know that any money that you want, my brother, you need money that you will spend the rest of your life. Come to the Great Chief Chelari Powers, northern part of Ghana, and I will make you proud. I will let you surprise people, but not God. I will let you know that whenever they said anything on your ear, and it is have a name, means that it exists in the world. Whenever that you hear something and it doesn't have name, you have to know that it doesn't exist in the world. So if you hear about money rituals or instant money or packet not dry, my brother, my sister, you want to see the physical powers action, come here to tell me, and inshallah, I will let you know that this is the reality of the spirit that I have, can do anything that you want. So if you are a human, whatever that you are, and you are watching, don't make mistake to didn't take my number, because I'm telling you to know that the prayer that you went to a mosque or church, pray to your God, your gods to help you. There is no way that your God will come down to help you. My brother, your God will definitely send opportunity to somebody like me to come and change your life, for you to take the opportunity and go through on it to get your life changed. That is how we said there is nothing good come easy. So no matter how it is, you will only bless through person. So if you know everything happening through human, inshallah, my brother, come here. You are from Europe country. Are you from Italy?